Hey guys, Robert here with Wonder Off-Road. I'm here with Maddie at Midland, and she's going to talk us through the new Midland GMRS radio. Take it away.
Hi, yeah, so this is the GXT 67 Pro. This is our newest handheld. We're calling it the handheld powerhouse because it has so much power. It's 5 watts of power. It is repeater capable, which a lot of people have been asking for.
That's a big step up right there.
Yeah, huge. And it's waterproof, super durable, and it's got awesome battery life.
Oh my God.
Really long lasting.
Wow.
It comes in this carrying case. It's got 2 ways to charge it. You can do it in the car with this little cradle or on your desk with this cradle. And then it comes in this really awesome, like, soft shell carrying case.
Wow. So what's this one MSRPing for right now?
$199.
$199.
Yes.
Is there a show special right now, or?
No, it's 2 new.
Oh, 2 new guys. Well, guess what? We'll have to wait for a little bit longer. But so this is really cool. So you said it's repeater capable now.
Yes.
Oh wow, that's a big step up, because these ones, the originals, you just turn them on and whatever you got, you got.
Yes, everyone has been asking us when you're going to come out with repeater capable handhelds, and finally it's here.
Oh, definitely. That really makes a big step up in the game, because now it makes it a little more obtainable for us to have a better radio back,
Absolutely.
especially if you like to base camp it, leave your vehicle back at camp with a 50-watt radio, you can take a hike and still be in contact.
Yeah, and this one's great because it's got a large screen, so you can, it's super easy to use. It's got no weather radio, so if stuff's going down, you're gonna know about it. And it's super easy to read. You can do 6 different or 7 different colors as the background, so you got choices.
Oh, so it's a backlit as well.
Yeah, it's
okay.
backlit.
That's a big step up right there. Because my other ones are not backlit, so.
Yeah, these are backlit, 7 different color options.
Wow.
And it's super easy to read.
Well, that's really cool. I'm gonna have to pick myself up one of these right now. Alrighty then. All right, guys. Again, thank you for watching Wonder Off-Road. We'll catch you guys in the next one. All right, bye.
In today's video, please, guys, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Share this with your friends and family. If you want to help support Wonder Off-Road, in the description below, you guys can see our PayPal link so you guys can help donate to the channel. It really does help out, and I appreciate every donation you guys do give. And remember, guys, you can't go wrong with that.